How to create a CapCut account. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you would like to create a CapCut account, you have come to the right place. But before that, let's understand CapCut. It is a popular video editing app that helps users create fun and engaging videos. Creating an account can help you save your work and access additional features as well. So, first of all, download it from Play Store and App Store, and after that, you can head over to the profile like icon. This way, you land to this page. From here, you can create an account using Google account, your email, Facebook, or TikTok. Tap on the option you would like and choose your account. I have chosen my Google account. Once that is done, it will take a while to load, and once that is done, your account is successfully created. After that, you can link your YouTube account and TikTok along with email to this CapCut account. Additionally, you can add bio, follow the people you like, and also have the option to join the CapCut Pro. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.